Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix arrow keys not working in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my Microsoft Excel file and I'm going to move from one cell to another cell with my arrow keys or arrow button. But as you can see guys, that it cannot be moved from one cell to another even though I click on my arrow keys or arrow button. And I'm going to show you how we can fix this problem. If you're facing this kind of problem guys, I recommend you to turn off the scroll lock button on your keyboard. You can check on your keyboard whether you have the scroll lock button or not. If you don't have scroll lock button, you can still access it with your on-screen keyboard. You just need to go to the start menu and then you are going to search for on-screen keyboard. Okay, and this is the scroll lock button or scroll lock key, and you have to turn it off. And after you turn off the scroll lock button, you will be able to use your arrow keys to move from one cell to another. I'm going to try it. Okay, as you can see, I can move from one cell to another with my arrow keys. Alright guys, and that's all the way to fix arrow keys not working in Microsoft Excel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.